Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the video generation interface. Let's get started. Open the navigation panel, click on Audio and Video, and select Video Generation. That opens up your main workspace. At the top of your controls, you'll find the Model selector. This is where you choose which AI model powers your generation, like Veo, Runway, Kling, Luma Labs, and Grok Imagine. Each has its own distinct style. Just below that, you can upload an initial image to define how your video begins, a great way to anchor the visual style from the start. And if the model supports it, there's also a last image option, which gives your video a more intentional, polished ending. Next is the prompt. This is where you describe the video you want to generate. You can be as specific or as open-ended as you like. If you'd like a little help, Magic Prompt will automatically refine your input for more detailed cinematic results. Below that, keywords let you quickly dial in elements like motion, lighting, and visual style. Think of them as creative shortcuts to shape the overall feel of your video. Over in your output settings, you control the specifics of what gets created, the number of generations, video duration, dimensions, and resolution, from 720p all the way up to 4K. And once you hit generate, your video will appear in the preview area, your main canvas for reviewing and comparing results. That's a complete look at the video generation interface. In the next video, we'll go hands-on and understand how to write better prompts.